Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle Sharma, your online instructor. Today we will start our topic IP addresses of series 0 to Hero. So, what is an IP address? An IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or a local network. IP stands for Internet Protocol, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. And in the simple words, we can say that it is a unique numerical identifier for every device or network that connects to internet. Okay, there are two versions of IP that currently coexist in the global internet: IP version 4, IPv4, and IP version 6, IPv6. IPv4 address is 32-bit of logical address provided by IANA, which stands for Internet Assigned Number Authority. Okay, it is having four blocks separated by dot called 4 octets. Range of an octet is 0 to 255 and size of 8 bit. Example: 192.168.39.240, and in the binary we can say double one and 6 times 0 dot 1010 1 000 dot 001 001 dot 4 times ones and 4 times 0. Minimum value of IP address is 0.0.0 and maximum value of IP address is 255.255.255.255. Okay, then classes of IP address. Class A range 0.0.0.0 to 126.255.255.255. Class B range 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255. Class C range 192.1 uh, 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.255. Class D range 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. Class E range 240.0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255. Class D and Class E is reserved for the defense research and development. Okay, then 127.0.0.0 to 127.255.255.255 is reserved for the loopback IP addresses, which called the internal address of device. Okay, then we have the examples of what is the class of IP 103.108.5.56. Look at first octet, which is the 103. Okay, the range of class A is 0 to 127. So the IP address belongs to class A. Then we have the class of IP 192.168.5.56. Look at the first octet, which is a 192. Range of class C is, as per first octet, is 192 to 223. Then IP address belongs to class C. Then we have the network and host. The INA provide network to ISP, Internet Service Provider. So, the network ID provided by ISP is this: 103.79.170.152. Then the ISP provide users the unique IP addresses just like 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2 and so on. Okay. Then what is the network and host format or for classes? The class A The first octet is network and other three are the host. Subnet mask of class A is 255.0.0.0, which is equivalent to 8 times 1 dot 8 times 0 dot 8 times 0 dot 8 times 0. Then we have the class B. Okay, class B, in which we have the first two octet as a network and other two are the host. Then first, the subnet mask of this is 255.255.0.0, which is equivalent to 8 times 1s dot 8 times 1s and dot 8 times 0 dot 8 times 0. Then we have the class C, in which we have the networks. The first three octets are the networks and other one is the host. The subnet mask of the class C is 255.255.255.0. Okay. IPv4 address, host and networks. Class A range 0.0.0.0 to 127.255.255.255. The network is 126 and host is 256 into 256 into 256 is equal to this one, host and networks. Class B same as the host is 256 into 256 and the network is 64 into 256. Okay, and in the class C range, network is 32 into 256 into 256. Okay, and the host is 256. Then example, email needs 60 IP addresses for a department in a company. Which class of IP address will be allotted? Class C IP address, because the number of hosts in class C is 256 and this is nearest to 60. Need 1000 IP addresses for a department in a company. Which class of IP will be allotted? Class B, because number of hosts in class B is 65,536 and this is suitable for 1000. If you use class C IP address, it will not fulfill the requirement, right? Then how to allot 60 IP address? Okay, let us assume network is 199.99.9.0. The IP address allotted will be this 9.1, 9.29 and further to this. Then total IP address is 256 minus 2 is equal to 254. Wastage is 254 minus 6194 is wasted. Then we have the private IP addresses. A private IP address is a known routable address of your design device assigned by the network router. Every device connected to the same network has a private IP or network address. An IP address allows devices connected over the same network to communicate. Ranges of private IP, as we have already learned, class A, B and C range. 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. In class B, 172.16.0.0.2 172.31255.255. Class C 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. Private IP address, host and networks. Class A, network 1, others are host. I say class B, network 16s and other are hosts. And class C, network 256 and 256 is host. How to convert public to private IP? ISP to router 1. Then the switch. The private IP is this from the router. The net overload here. The IP address provided by the ISP, the public IP, and here it is the private IP. The switch will gives the another private IPs. Okay. Hope you will understand the concept today. Thanks for watching. In the another videos, we will learn more about this IP addresses and other things. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for today.